Hey, hello and welcome to another video. In this video I want to try out the Hyundai 12-volt car vacuum cleaner. I got this one specifically because, well, of course I have a dirty car, but I am so fed up of going to these manual car washes and having to use what they have over there. It's banged up tube, it's thrown on the ground, often it doesn't work, and maybe you know this. When you're done vacuum cleaning your car, you're almost done. You're out of coins, so you need to throw in another one. I've had enough of that, so I thought, why don't I give it a try? A 12-volt vacuum cleaner. There's a ton of them on the internet. I have decided to go for a well-known brand, Hyundai. I guess they're not all made the same. If you are a top brand like Hyundai, you won't just put your name on something that doesn't work. It says it has a 100-watt capacity, so that means it can go here in the 12-volt socket. And it has a really long connector, 4 meters, which I really like. It promises strong suction, easy to empty, a washable filter, which is a HEPA filter, which is nice. And of course, it's super lightweight and portable. In the box, I took it out for you. You have, of course, the vacuum cleaner itself, which is very well built. You have an on and off button, an indicator light, and this you can just click off and then remove the filter for washing it. You can see exactly how full it is. Looks sturdy. Here you plug in the accessories. We have an extra long flex tube for attaching other accessories to. Not sure if we'll be using that, but maybe it's helpful to get into the creases. Then we have a long tip. I think this is good for going in between those tough to reach cracks and areas. A shorter one. And of course, this is what I'll be using on the bottom, the brush, to see how well it performs. It's also very easy to do the seat. Session. Perfect. I decided to do the back also, because we also have quite some particles. But the vacuum cleaner just glides over it and manages to absorb almost everything. Okay, I think it takes twice as long as a regular vacuum cleaner, but I think it's totally worth it. For 20-30 euro or dollar, you have something like this, and you can use it wherever you want. Without having to put endless amounts of coins. And especially also if you have sensitive leather car seats, you don't want to put one of these banged up brushes from the gas station there. They just throw them on the ground and they end up in your car. No, you take your own brush, which you know is clean, and then you can just very comfortably clean it and not worry. Also very effective in the crease. I'm very happy with it. And also here in the back it's doing a really good job at removing the particles. Session. No more trips to the gas station. No more coins. No more dirty vacuum cleaners. Just doing this whenever you want, in your own time, in your own place, and in your own pace. Without also people watching you, chasing you around to hurry up. If you have one of these, a very small investment, but you can get a lot of pleasure and benefits from it. Session. So, and now time for the final result. The passenger side on the front, very clean. Very happy. The leather seats have been completely done. I'm very happy that I was able to do that with the tin accessory, with the tin tip, and remove also all the particles that are stuck in the crease. I have also managed to remove all the dirt from the driver's side, including where the footrest is. Here on the sides in the crease, looks very clean. Here the railings of the chair, also one of those common areas. And also here in the back, completely clean and relieved from all leaves, dust and particles. And also the seats. Yeah, and especially here I think the result is very nice here in the luggage compartment. I was able to remove all the dirt and also here a bit in the rubbers. And doing all that with a 12-volt portable vacuum cleaner was very nice, especially because of its long cord, almost 4.5 meters. So that's a good result. Just took a bit of extra time. Yeah, unfortunately it doesn't work on floor mats, so I just tossed them on the ground. I'll knock the dust out of them and then wash them in my washing machine at home. 12-volt vacuum cleaner is not able to clean those. So we're back in the Chevy Bolt EV Opel Ampera-e. I am happy and I can recommend this, but look at all that dirt that's in there, yo. My goodness. Very, very good. I can recommend a portable 12-volt vacuum cleaner like this, especially this Hyundai. Not sure about the other ones, but this one's really nice. Eventually, well, it cleans very well. It just takes probably much longer than with a powerful one. On the flip side though, you get a completely clean one that hasn't been used by any other people, and you can use it as long as you want, as long as you have the engine running or your electric car on. Nice accessories, brush, but in the end I've been using only this tip, the ones that you also find at the gas station. Yeah, that one just worked the best for me, had the most power and the most suction, so very nice. Let me know whether you've used portable 12-volt vacuum cleaners like this one from Hyundai. Of course, if you have your own power and you can get to your car, by all means use your more powerful wall socket vacuum cleaner. But for on the go and for the ones that don't have power at their house, I think it's a recommendation. I'll put a link in the description. Let me know if you've used something like this. And I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video. And I hope your car is as clean as mine now. Auf Wiedersehen!